Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to put music tracks from editor on a video. Alright, so I'm going to open up this kite surfing video that has no musical track on it. And I'm going to do that by clicking directly on the detail page so that it opens up right to where I can edit it. And to watch this video, I just click here and it will view on another page in YouTube. There's no sound or music to it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it here. And I'm going to go back to our video details on the individual video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into the editor over here. And in the editor, we can add a music track. Now this is about 4 minutes and 17 seconds, right? So what I do is I click here, and then all I got to do is go down to this little note here. And right next to it, I click that plus sign. And when I do that, all the music tracks fill in just above the timeline. So let's listen to this one right here for a second. We're just going to listen to it. And then this window pops up, and basically it's just telling you that this music is copyright free and you can use it. Okay, so we know we can do that. So let's go ahead and click the play button and take a listen to this track. All right, that sounds good. It's got kind of a funky tune to it. I think that might be good. Let's go ahead and add that. All right, there it is. Now we can listen to it. Let's check it out. All right, I think I like that. All right, if we do like that, what we can do is we can go ahead and hit save it, and then come back. Let's try that. So let's go ahead and save that. Save changes. All right, save. All right, so once you click the save, it gets all dark, and at the bottom you can see it's telling us it's going to take a while. So we're going to have to come back in about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll check and see how the music sounds on the video. All right, let's check and see if the video has got the music. I copied the URL. I'm going to put it in here, or the name of it, I mean. And let's click on it. Let's just go ahead and pull it up. Bam! Sounds good, huh? I like it. All right, let's stop it. So let's go here, close that out. Now let's go in again, and let's go to the editor, add music. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search it. So you see a little search bar? I'm going to click on there. It's going to give me a box. I'm going to drop down to duration. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to put in a time. And I need about 1:20 or less than a minute 20. And I've got to click shorter than. I'm on longer than, so we got to go shorter than. And it looks like it's going to, I'm going to try to put a minute in there and see if it does it. But it pops it back to 1:40. So anyway, all of these tracks are 1 minute 40 seconds or shorter. So what I need to find is something right around 1:15 area, and there isn't. So I'm going to get the shortest one and I'm going to try using it. So we're just going to go through until we find one. All right, here's one that's 1:20. Let's click on add, and then we're going to drag it down the timeline with our cursor to the end of the video, and then we'll take a listen to it and see if we like it. All right, let's go ahead and play it right from here. Let's see. It might jump back to the front, but we'll see. Okay, so it jumped to the front. Let's pull it down. And let's continue to play it. Sometimes it takes a while for it to get in there. Let's hear what it sounds like. All right, you know what? Let's just leave it. Let's save it. And then we'll go back and check it later. Save. All right, so we closed that out and saved it, and now we're coming back to it, and we're going to check it out and listen to it. So we're going to go ahead and click here. It's going to open up another window, and in there, we're going to watch our video. Good. Yeah, I'm liking it. Let's stop it. All right, let's pull this down the timeline to just before 3 minutes and take a listen at this new track that we added. All right, let's hit play. That sounds pretty darn good. All right, I think we did a good job. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.